Okay, and your eyes might get a little watery, and here we go.
What first triggered it was a reluctance in certain communities, working class communities. There was a reluctance to get tested because people said if I test positive, then they're going to tell me I can't go to work, but I don't have another option. And so that is what really alerted me to the problem.
County Supervisor Nathan Fletcher pushed for one-time $1,000 cash stipends for workers testing positive for COVID-19 back in August.
The goal of this program is so that someone's not put in a position of saying, do I continue to go to work because I have to feed my family, or do I isolate in order to protect public health? We want everyone to isolate in order to protect public health.
$2 million was originally invested in the program, but that money quickly ran out, with 2,400 San Diegans applying for relief. This week, county supervisors voted to add another $2 million to the program, as San Diego is seeing a dramatic increase in positive cases.
Because we go through a really difficult period, perhaps the most challenging we faced in COVID, we want to continue to be there with resources and help.
To be eligible for a $1,000 stipend, people who test positive must be currently employed and not receiving any unemployment benefits or employer-paid time off or sick time. Stipends are not retroactive, meaning if you tested positive in June, you would not qualify now.
This is for low-wage service workers primarily.
The test results take about 2 to 4 days.
We're not going to slow the virus. If people are afraid to get tested, if they won't quarantine, if they won't do those types of things, it's going to be an impediment. And so this seemed an appropriate step to help people through.
Fletcher said if funds run out again, he'd support adding more. County staff estimate the program has enough money to run through the end of the calendar year. Matt Hoffman, KPBS News.